If TikTok Shop is not showing for you, it could be due to several reasons such as app settings, regional restrictions, or account eligibility. So today we are here with a detailed guide to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure you are using the latest version of TikTok. Visit your App Store in iOS or Google Play Store on Android to check for updates. Simply tap on the search address bar and search for the TikTok. And if there is an update option available right next to the TikTok, then tap on it and update the latest version. Outdated apps may not display the latest features, including TikTok Shop. So even after updating you can't find TikTok Shop option available on your TikTok, then simply go to the Settings and Privacy option available there. Inside Settings and Privacy, simply scroll down till the bottom and look for the Report a Problem or Help option available there. Now inside Reports a Problem, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Chat with Us option available there. Now in Chat with Us, simply write down that you cannot find TikTok Shop in TikTok. Then wait for TikTok customer support to respond to you. So here you can see it is because of reason availability. TikTok Shop is not available in all countries. It is primarily rolled out in select regions where e-commerce integrations are supported. You can simply use a VPN to set your location to a supported country. Ensure you comply with TikTok's terms of service when doing so. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.